rushing like crazy just to talk to her.
Feel free to call me Masha. Any friend of Alya's is a friend of mine, and I believe that you seem like such a dependable guy. I can't believe we have...
Is something wrong?
Hey, Kose, may I ask your first name?
Oh, it's Masachika. The kanji used to spell it means together with diplomacy.
Is it really?